The single most important moment was when these emergent abilities came. Right? And these are abilities that were unexpected. So we are training a model, and you can see here, it doesn't have any capabilities, any certain thing, in this case about arithmetics. And then suddenly, boom, it explodes and it gets like very good at it. And it was, I mean, it still is very unpredictable when this moment will happen. Right? But it happened, and that made this language model so interesting. Right? Without those capabilities, they wouldn't be as interesting as we experience it now. And the most important of all emergent abilities is the in-context learning, because in-context learning changes everything. In-context learning means that it can now learn in the context, in the prompt. You can give it an example, as you can see here. This is what scientists have done. They gave, I think it was GPT-3 at the time, gave it an example. So the input is 2014, 0601, and then transform it basically to an exclamation mark, 06, exclamation mark, and so on. That is a format that is definitely not in the internet, right? Because it's not a normal date format. So they chose it purposely. And what happened is that AI actually learned this. And this is a big moment, because in the past, AI was unable to learn by instructions or in the context, right? It can only learn through training of weights, changing of the weights of its neural network. Now it can learn in the context, which makes now, of course, the memory so important, because if I would have an infinite memory, it would mean it could infinitely learn and not forget those things that it actually learns.